In this video, I'll show you how to change your username on Facebook in just a few simple steps. Your Facebook username is the unique name that appears in your profile link. Changing it can make your profile easier to find and share with others. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Next, open Account Center. Inside Account Center, tap on Personal Details, then tap Profile. Now select your Facebook profile. Here you'll see the option for username. Tap on it and enter the new username you want to use. If the username is available, Facebook will allow you to save it. After entering the new username, tap Done or Save to confirm the change. Your profile link will now be updated with the new username. And that's it. That's how you can change your username on Facebook. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.